Picked this Trail Boss 325 up 2002 for $300 while it was out garage sailing. Seller said the transmission's bad. Let's take it for a test drive so we can show you what the transmission sounds like. Fine in reverse though. Alright, let's get the transmission out, see what's wrong. Alright, let's see if we can break this clutch loose. There we go. Alright, got the transmission out of the four-wheeler. Didn't take too long to get out, maybe a few hours. And going over this transmission, looks like the chain is super loose in here. Let me throw a new chain in here, and we'll see if that fixes the problem. Alright, I got the new chain in the transmission. Let's take it for a test drive. Let's see how it works out. Alright, looks like the chain fixed the four-wheeler. Let's go ahead and test the check the weight, test the 0 to 30 mile an hour, and then check the top speed. Alright, let's see what this Polaris Trail Boss 325 weighs, and then we'll test the 0 to 30 mile an hour. Alright, looks like we're completely off the ground. I got 250 pounds back here. And I've got 262 pounds up front. So we got a total of 512 pounds. Alright, let's test out the 0 to 30. All right, the Polaris 325 trail boss ran well. It ran 0 to 30 in 5.81 seconds. That was the best out of six runs I made with it. I came up with a 512-pound weight on it. The claimed weight from the factory is 504 pounds. Factory horsepower rating is 19 horsepower. I checked the top speed GPS, and it was 47 miles an hour. All right, thanks for watching.